Hello students, today we are going to learn our histories lesson number 4 Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In the beginning of the 17th century CE, Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar were in possessions of most territories in Maharashtra. Possession means what? Capture. ताब्यात घेणे. The Mughals had entered Khandesh with an objective to expand their power in the south. The Portuguese and the Siddhis controlled the coastal belt of Konkan. The Portuguese had established their rule in Goa and Vasai. British, French, Dutch were engaged in competition and conflict due to trade rivalry. The constant conflicts between these European powers resulted in political instability and insecurity for the people. They were known as Topkar due to their customary headgear. Customary headgear means what? Based on custom or tradition. The feudal system in the form of Watandari existed in Maharashtra. Feudal system means what? That नोकरीच्या अटीवर दिलेली जी जहागीर असते, that one form in Maharashtra. Where in the Watandars collected revenue on behalf of the rulers and maintained laws and order and performed judicial duties. Judicial duties means what? That न्यायालयीन काही कर्तव्य असते ते to give justice to the people. Now let us see village. Most of the people live in villages. A village was also called Mauja. The chief of the village was Patil. And another Watandar is included in that village, that Kulkarni. Now let us see the duties of that Patil. He was the village headman. He tried to bring maximum land under cultivation. He resolved the dispute and maintained that laws and order in the village. And in this work that Kulkarni helped Patil, and Kulkarni kept records of the collected revenue. The peasant gave a share of their agriculture produce to the artisans for the service they render. Render means what? To give help or something to the village community. This share was known as Baluta. Now next one, Kasbah. A Kasbah was like a big village. It was usually the headquarter of the Pargana. Kasbah was the headquarter of Pargana. In this, which Watandar include? That Shete and Mahajan. Now see the duties of Shete. Setting up pet. Second one, maintain accounts of pet. Pet means what? There was usually market adjacent to Kasbah. Every village did not necessarily have a pet. The setting of a pet was the job of the Shetes and Mahajan. And for that purpose, they received some land from the government and some rights to form villagers. Do you know that as per the order of Veer Mata Jijabai, a pet was established in Pashan near Pune. It was called Jijapur. Malpura, Khelpura and Paraspura, Vithapura. In Aurangabad, there are also new pets established in the name of Maloji, Kheloji, Parsoji and Vithoji respectively. Shivapur, adjacent to Khed, was the pet established in the name of Shivaji Maharaj. Now let us see about Pargana. Many villages together made a Pargana. Pargana means what? That group of villages, means tehsil and taluka include in that Pargana. But the number of villages was not the same in all the Parganas. Means in that Parganas, the villages number are not same. They are different. For example, the Pune Pargana was big Pargana. It consisted 290 villages. There were 64 villages in Chakar Pargana. The Shirwal Pargana was small and it had only 40 villages. Now the Watandar include in that Deshmukh and Deshpande. The Deshmukh was the chief of Patil in a Pargana. The Deshmukh did at the Pargana level what the Patil did at the village level. The Deshpande was the chief of all Kulkarnis in the Pargana. Chief of the Patil performed duties same as a Patil and chief of all Kulkarnis performed duties as the same as a Kulkarnis. Now see, every village had various artisans with hereditary rights regarding their occupation. Hereditary rights means what? पूर्वीपासून चालत आलेले. The peasants gave them a share of agricultural produce, that is baluta, for the services rendered to the village community. Now see the calamity of famine. Agricultural totally dependent on rain and its failure led to the calamity of famine. The people were forced to leave the village in search of livelihood. A great famine in 1630 CE caused distress to the people in Maharashtra. Thank you.